Alright guys, we got this brand new 2024 Porsche Taycan 4S in for full car PPF. We're also going to be doing a little bit of vinyl wrapping on the silver accent, so let's jump back a week earlier where we wash the car. Preparation is one of the most important steps to get a flawless wrap on any vehicle. We're going to do this by not only focusing on cleaning the panel itself, but also ensuring that every edge and seal is hit with a pressure cleaner. This is going to make sure that any dirt that's hiding behind those edges will get exposed and fall out during this cleaning process. We're also going to go over each panel with a clay bar to remove any lingering contaminants that may have been missed in the first initial clay. So after that's all done, it's into our climate controlled booth. Before we start, there's one more thing we've got to do, and that's to cut out all the film using our plotter. For this car, we'll be starting with the doors. For each door, we're going to align the top of the computer cut templates with the top edge of the door. And then we're going to work top to bottom, squeegeeing all the water out. These type of recessed handles don't need to be removed for the PPF installation, and we can still achieve maximum coverage in the door cups. On the front fender, we follow a similar process by aligning the top of the template first. Once that's aligned, we're going to anchor this point and stretch the film to the front of the car. Then once the film is all in place and all the soapy water is squeegeed out, we're going to wrap the edge using hot distilled water. Wrapping the edges now will avoid the chances of getting a white line along the edge later, which is often seen when the film is left to dry. Moving on to the bonnet, we're going to utilize the computer cut pattern as this style of bonnet doesn't have much stretch. We're also going to leave the badge installed as it's recessed into the panel. Same as the fender, we're going to wrap the bonnet edges while they're still wet to avoid any sort of film discoloration that can occur when it's left to dry. Whilst the car's here, we're also going to be tinting with Darkest Legal ceramic tint. This will not only keep out the UV rays, but also increase the heat rejection, keeping the car cooler for longer. Alright guys, this car is all done now. We've done full car gloss PPF. We've done vinyl wrapping on the front, sides, and the rear of the car as well. It's looking awesome.
I'm turning dreams into reality. In the lab with the formula and chemistry. The memories spark and motivate and make the industry shake. We put the bars in the place. I'm talking one chance at best, yes. Painting pictures for the culture, keep the brushes fresh.
If you want to get your car done, make sure you head over to scrubscardetailing.com. We'll help you out with PPF, ceramic coating, and all your needs. We'll catch you in the next one.